which is the balcony. Yan, ito yung ating balcony, kabayan. Yan, ang maganda dito, kabayan, sa balcony, pag makikita mo after yung ating community dito sa Amir Rosa 2, Lipa City, Batangas. Ayan, kabayan, yung ating community. Yan, napakaganda ng community natin dito. No, kung ang hinahanap natin is secured community, kabayan, this is a secured community dito sa Lipa City, Batangas. And kagandahan nito, kabayan, yung mga ino-offer naming unit natin dito is ready for occupancy. So let's do a recap. This property is selling at 8.5 million with a lot area of 140 square meters and floor area of 78 square meters. And this is ready for occupancy. So kung interested kayo, kabayan, sa property na to, feel free to inquire. Mag-message kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo at may pakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang Amir Rosa 2, dito sa Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas. By the way, kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you.